This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm in the foyer of Unit 1202, and there's a full-size, stacked, front-loading washer-dryer off to the left behind louvered doors as you enter, and shelving for storage. 6-foot-wide closet to the left as you continue into the unit, and an efficient one-wall kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a 4-burner gas range, dishwasher, a wide farm-style sink, 42-inch upper cabinets. Very attractive package. There's a tile backsplash, and the refrigerator is side by side and has ice and water in the door. Walking into the living area, the plank flooring continues throughout the unit. Facing north here, you're seeing roller blinds on a wide wall of windows. Looking north over Clarendon Park, out toward Lincoln Park and the lake. Weiss Memorial Hospital just over a block to the north. Target and the CTA station, short walk to the west. Heading into the sleeping area, there's another wide closet, and then the bath is oversized, has a wide vanity with 2 banks of drawers, great for storage, designer makeup mirror, a rain shower head, and a soaking tub. Very appealing finishes. We're in a building with a terrific lakefront location. Literally a short walk from every convenience, walking distance to Wrigley Field. And the building has an over-the-top suite of amenities, far beyond anything you're going to find in the Uptown neighborhood, and rivaling the best of downtown Chicago. You really should put 811 Uptown on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment on the north side of Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.